Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for Redbubble. We will cover the essential steps to transform your creative ideas into sellable products. First, begin by setting up your design canvas in Canva. Opt for a large, square canvas, like 5,000 by 5,000 pixels, to ensure high-resolution output. Remember to select a transparent background for maximum flexibility across different Redbubble products. This initial setup is crucial for a professional finish. Now, let's dive into the design process within Canva. Utilize the platform's extensive resources, from graphics and illustrations to unique fonts, to bring your vision to life. Aim for originality and high quality. A distinctive design is key to attracting customers. Consider how your artwork will appear on different products, such as a mug or a phone case, ensuring it remains clear and impactful. Experiment with colors and layouts to find your perfect style. Once your masterpiece is complete in Canva, it's time to prepare it for Redbubble. Download your design as a high-resolution PNG file, ensuring the background remains transparent. This is vital for professional product presentation. Next, head over to Redbubble, upload your artwork, and carefully adjust its position on each product. Don't forget to craft engaging titles, detailed descriptions, and effective tags to help buyers discover your unique creations. To truly succeed on Redbubble, consistency and strategy are paramount. Regularly upload fresh, diverse designs to keep your shop dynamic and appealing. Stay informed about current trends and popular niches. This insight can guide your creative process and attract more buyers. Finally, actively promote your Redbubble shop across social media platforms. Sharing your work widely is an excellent way to boost visibility and drive potential sales to your unique designs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.